Hi, my name is Evelyn Duerni Maghanoy, a master teacher of Dumingag SPAD Center, Dumingag, Zamboanga del Sur, Philippines. I graduated Bachelor of Elementary Education and hold a Master of Arts in Education, major in Special Education. In my 26 years teaching experience, 9 years teaching multi-grade classes, grade 1, grade 2, and grade 3 as well, and taught the subjects English, Mathematics, Science and Health, Filipino, Sibika at Kultura, Good Manners, and Right Conduct. And in 17 years teaching learners with learning disabilities, those on autism spectrum, children with intellectual disability, children with Down syndrome, children with cerebral palsy, and transition learners. And in SPED classes, I am currently teaching the subject Special Education Curricular Program, which includes Career Skills Package, Life Skills Package, Pre-Vocational Package, Career Package, and Functional Academics. I am a dedicated special education teacher. My passion is creating an inclusive, supportive learning environment where every child can thrive. I use individualized strategies, structured routines, and positive reinforcement to help my students reach their full potential. I am excited about the opportunity to bring my expertise, patience, commitment to the new teaching environment in the US. I look forward to sharing best practices and learning more from other educators to enhance my skills and serve better students with special needs. Thank you for this opportunity. I hope to inspire and support more learners as I continue my journey in special education.